Hi, welcome to the channel. And if you don't know me, my name is Paulo and I'm here today to show you how you can make a simple intro in Davinci Resolve without using the Fusion page. Let's roll the intro that I made in the edit page, so let's watch it. As you can see, it's a simple and clean intro, and it was entirely done in the edit page. So let's jump in the computer and let me show you how you can do it. This is what you saw, and what you are seeing here, it's a compound clip. And if I open it or decompose it, you come here to decompose and use, you can see that it's a simple edit, nothing fancy in here. The only important thing that I had in mind in this clip was to edit to the music. So if I open a little bit the music, you notice that the changes are made in the beats. Okay, so let's try to do this again to show you how you can do it. So let me remove this. So here we have the music. I'm not going to show you how I edit the music. This is not for this video. So let's try to do it again to show you how simple it is. Let's start by adding a solid color. And to do that, you come here to the effects. If you don't see the effects, click in here, effects, come to generators and solid color. Let's drag it over and put it over here. Let me stretch it. Now I'm gonna change the background color. Come here where it says generator color, and in my case I'm gonna select the white. Okay, next add your logo and resize it if you need it. In my case I'm gonna add this logo here, and I'm gonna put it in here because I'm gonna put other things behind it. So let me stretch it also to the size, and in my case I'm gonna resize it this size. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm gonna add it, my name. For that, you come here to the titles. It's in here above the generators. I'm gonna add a text plus over here, and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna resize it also, and in here come to the inspector. Let me change this to black, and let's come here to the settings and let me put it a little bit down, and let me resize it. Let's play it. I wanna zoom in. I'm gonna add another keyframe in here. Now go to the beginning in this one. Let me put this to 0, and it's done. Now come to the text. Also gonna add this to 0 and this one to 0. And now if we play it, it's zooming in. Now here in the first bit, I'm gonna add another background color. So let's come here to the generators. Let me add here this background color to here. I'm gonna resize it here. Now this background color, let me come here to the generator. Let me change the color. I'm gonna add an orange color like this, and now go to settings and resize this because I don't want everything. I just want here a square. So let me crop this. And it's done. Now let's copy this. For doing that, we'll press Alt or Option in Mac and drag it over here. And in this one, I'm gonna change this, the crop right. Okay, and it's done. Now come here, and if you play it, and done. Now let's add some text in here. Let's go again to the titles, add a little, add this one over here. This one, let me title, let me put it in black again, and let's write something. In my case, Davinci materials. Let me change it to the same font, black, and settings up, and put this here. Let me put it a little bit smaller, 0.06, and it's done. Now let's copy this over here. Also, let me put this over here, and in this one over here, let's put video here, reviews, and let's copy this one again with Alt and put it over here. Okay, play it. Now we wanna adjust everything. And now let's finish this, and let's come here and add this one, add another keyframe, and this one, add another keyframe. Let's go to the end. This one is select, this one 0, add another keyframe, this one 0, and this one 0. Also, if you play it, and at the same time let's reduce the opacity in here, and it will fade to black. As you can see, it's very easy to do, and you can do it yourself. Now go and try it yourself, and if you have any doubts, just ask me in the comments. And if you have other questions, just leave them also in the comments below, that I will have the pleasure to answer to all of your questions. So I hope you learned something today with this clip, and if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I will launch a video. Until there, bye!